Hi, this is Mrs. Kidman, and in this video, we are going to be discussing how we can rewrite logarithmic functions as exponential functions. Now, in our previous video, we talked about how we can rewrite exponentials as logarithms by taking that same base, taking what our answer is equal to, and then making that equal to our exponent. Now, because that's the way that we can rewrite from an exponential to a logarithm, we're going to go the other way to rewrite our logarithms. So what this exactly here is saying is this log base 2 of 16 equals 4 is asking me how many times do I need to divide 16 by 2 to make it equal 1? Or in other words, how many times do I need to multiply 2 to make it equal to 16? So because of that, what we do when we rewrite logarithms as exponentials is, remember, if this is log base b of a, that's going to be equal to our c. Well, when it comes to writing it as an exponential, we are going to have our base to the power of our c is equal to a, meaning that how many times do I need to divide 16 by 2 to get to 1? Well, the answer is 4. So how many times do I need to multiply 2 to get 16? Well, the answer is 4. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take our answer and we're going to do 2 to the power of 4 equals 16, because that's that inverse there. Now, some people like to think of it as a cinnamon roll, where we take our base to our outside is the exponent, and then it equals that. We're kind of rolling in that direction there. But I really like to think of, what is our log saying? It's saying, how many times do I need to divide 16 by 2 to get to 1? The answer is 4. So that means 2 to the power of 4 equals 16. So let's go ahead and rewrite another one here. So in this case, we've got log of 4 of 1. Log base 4 of 1 is equal to 0. So what is this saying? This is saying, how many times do I need to divide the number 1 by 4 to make it equal to the number 1? Well, the number 1 is already the number 1. Therefore, it doesn't need to be divided any times. So how else can we say this? How many times do I need to multiply 4 times itself to be equal to 1? Well, the answer is 0. So how many times does 4 need to be multiplied by itself to get 1? Well, that's 0, or we can do that cinnamon roll swirl trick, and we can say 4 to the power of 0 is 1. Let's do this one last time. So in this case, we're saying logarithm base 12 of 12 equals 1. Or in other words, how many times do I need to divide 12 by 12 to get 1? The answer is once. 12 divided by 12 is 1. So in converse, 12 to what power is equal to 12? Well, the answer is 12 to the power of 1 is equal to 12. And that is how we can rewrite that. So again, using that idea there of what our logarithm means can really help us. The other method, again, is that cinnamon roll trick, where we go all the way around. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, but that is how we can rewrite logarithms as exponentials. Now, in our previous video, we did talk about how we can rewrite exponentials as logarithms, going that other way, because when we see something like 12 to the power of 1 equals 12, what that really can be rewritten as a division problem instead of a multiplication problem is, how many times do I need to take my answer of 12 and divide it by 12? Well, to get 1, well, the answer is once. That's how we divide it. So that's kind of that inverse method there. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Check out our next video, in which we discuss how we can evaluate exponentials, meaning that if they don't give us what it equals, how we can find that.